Naughty brownie time. We're gonna do some triple choc brownie mix or choc fudge. We're gonna make it quadruple because there's some extra bits that are going in it. These are white chocolate. Can't believe there's some still in the house. A couple of eggs. Half a block of butter. Just chop it in half. 125 grams, they say. Half of one of those blocks is perfect. We'll heat that up in the microwave and then go from there. All right. About 30 seconds to melt some butter. I reckon press that once. Preset the oven. I warm it up to about 180. 160 fan force or 180. I was right. 180 degrees. So we've got 2 eggs, we've got some butter. Oh, I've got to grease a pan. Let's do that now. 30 seconds was close. I'll just give that a stir to mix it all in. No, you're a weirdo, butter. I like my stirring. Hot tip, don't get butter on the camera. It makes it really hard to pick up. Like Mum said, baking is all about preparation. So I'll make sure there's no extra bits, any surprises in the butter. That's all stirred in. And now I'm going to grease a pan. That one. All right, let's pour it in. I think you're the best. So dry mix in first. So what am I going to use to mix this with? I'm going to use a wooden spoon because wooden spoons are best. So make a little divot in the middle, and then goes the wet mixture in the middle. See? So butter all melted in. Get it all. You really want all the butter. I've accidentally not put enough butter in and it goes too dry. My brownies I like a lot. I like nice and soft in the inside. A couple of eggs. 1. 2. No shell. No shell needed today. In the hands. And while this is going on, I'm going to drop in there extras. A few of them. A few of these. One mama. Told you they were naughty. Lots of chocolate chunks in these ones. Super soft on the inside. So I've stirred this all the way through, folded it in really well. It's nice and you can see it's really stiff. Really stiff. Turn this out into the baking tray. About this time, kids are going, oh, look at that spoon we're gonna get. But there's no kids here, so I guess that goes to me. Alright, even it out into the tray. And she's ready to go in, 180 degrees for about, I'll check it at 30 minutes, and then probably 35 minutes all up. We'll test it with a skewer at the 30-minute mark and see if she's cooked through. Oven's at temperature, power light, heat lights out, so we're ready to rock and roll. So here we go. Should look like that. Gonna look a little bit different when it's done. In we go, 180 degrees. I'm gonna set the timer down at a lower shelf so it heats up evenly, not at the top shelf. Let's go for 30 minutes. 30 minutes, 180, thereabouts. Pretty good there for 180. And full oven, no fan. Well, it's been about 30, maybe 32 minutes, and maybe a strange concept to some of you, but I can smell it's pretty close to cooked. You'll get the idea after you cook it a couple of times. It actually changes smell a little bit. Almost dark chocolate smell now. So we'll check it out. Ooh, it's looking pretty good in there. There's a bit of a crust on the top. I'll poke it with a skewer, stick it straight in the middle, and if it comes out clean, we know it's cooked through, but it hasn't come out clean. There's a little bit left in there, so I'm going to give it another 5 minutes. Clean skewer, in we go. Let's see if we come out clean. Oh, it's feeling a lot better. Look, I'll call it clean. It's cleanish. We'll get it out, let it cool on the rack. Use an up-down pizza tray, baking tray to use as a drying rack. So now I'm gonna open it up, grab my mitt, pull her out. Oh yeah, looking really good now. See how it's almost starting to crack on the surface. You can see better in this light. It's just starting to crack a little bit here. That means the skin's drying off and it's cooked through. Very happy with that. We'll see how she cuts up later when it cools down. Let it cool down for 10 minutes at least. So we've had it in the fridge. Just use a really good quality Tupperware container. Take it out of off the heat rack and drop it straight in there and cool it down. So I guess now's the time to cut it open and see what it looks like. I'll just take a bit off the edge here and be a chief product tester. Oh yeah, nice and soft. Look at that. Woo! Chocolate chunks, white chocolate chunks. Taste. Still soft in the middle, just the way I like them. Get some of that in you.
Thank you. Mwah.
Yum.